MSc Fisheries and Limnology. Today's topic is overprim in continuity of hypervisation or artificial breeding. Overprim, it's a injection and liquid peptide preparation that contain the analog of the salmon gonadotropin releasing hormone denoted as a SGN, RHA, and a brain neurotransmitter dopamine inhibitor. So this overprim stimulates the release of the stored gonadotropin from the pituitary, and the dopamine inhibitor, that is the domaperidone, serve to remove the inhibitor in the gonadotropic releasing hormone. Release of the stored pituitary gonadotropin may aid spawning by stimulating ovulation and the spermation in the sexually mature fish. Which hormone is inhibiting the producing of the gonadotropin? It overprim inhibits their growth and structure, and it stimulates the pituitary, so sexually mature fish ovulate or release the sperm. Its a direction of use. Overprim is packaged ready to use in the liquid form, and it should be in the very precise amount. If quantity will be the less, there will be the no breeding or no stimulation of the gonadotropin, and if it is the overdose, then they will perish their sex hormone. So it should be very precise and calculated amount of the overprim should be used. Due to the viscosity of the product, इसकी श्यानता बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, viscosity बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. So it is used in the syringe, that is the Leo lock tip, and the needle should be permanently attached to the syringe. So by the pressure, when you put pressure with the needle, it shouldn't be eject out the needle, otherwise your overprim or your hormone will be destroyed. Use of syringe with the slip tip is not recommended since the needle could inadvertently eject under the pressure. Simply ऐसी सिरिंज यूज करनी चाहिए जिसके अंदर नीडल सिरिंज से अलग नहीं हो, वो उसी का पार्ट हो. जब आप प्रेशर क्रिएट करें पेल्विक फिन के वहाँ, तो वो सिरिंज से नीडल अलग नहीं हो और आपका ओवरप्रिम या हार्मोन वेस्ट नहीं हो जाए. हाउ टू इंजेक्ट? Hold the fish firmly. You can see the live structure here, and insert the needle in the abdominal cavity, belly, between the pelvic fin, between both the pelvic fin or under the vent, into the muscles on the either side of the dorsal fin, either on the dorsal fin or in the belly or pectoral fin के बीच में it should be inserted. For intra-abdominal injection in the smaller species, it may be helpful to secure the fish on the soft wet surface as a sponge or a little bit of water. So inject into the rear abdominal cavity to avoid contact with the internal organs. Hormone should be placed and given to the only in the muscles. It should not be inserted into the internal organs. Inject overprim carefully. After injection, gently place the fish onto a container in the clean aerated water. Here you can see the temperature, optimum temperature, and the full of oxygen. Because fish are in the shock, after handling the fish became vulnerable and it came into the shock, so it should be placed in the optimum condition and water with lot of oxygen. Dosage: overprim is the 0.5 ml per kilogram body weight. Those may be vary according to physiological condition, species, environment, and the temperature. In some species, there are the single overprim is required, and in some species, one or more dose may be required. So, in second dose, loading dose is known as the second dose is known as the split dosing. It is the 10% of the total should be injected, followed by the injection remaining 90% of the total dose after 6 hours. In warm water species, ovulation may occur in little as 4 hours post-treatment. If female is sexually mature, if you will inject the Ovaprene, it will lay the egg after the 4 hours. Sign of ovulation and spermination may include the noticeable swelling or softening of the abdomen when they are ready to ovulate or spermation. So the sexual mature female become the soft. Their belly should be in the come into the soft position. Presence of egg in the water, ability to easily express egg from the female or milk from the male. When male lead or ejaculate the sperm, that is known as the milt. When sexes are held together in the same take, onset of the spawning behavior, male chasing the female. It is important to note the interval between treatment and the onset of the ovulation is variable in different species. Its time may be differ, and species, temperature, ecological condition, and type of species, this time may vary. Male may respond shorter period of time than the female. Female Male respond earlier than the female. Doses calculation: fish weight 0.2 kg, Ovaprene dose 0.5 milligram per kilogram. So 0.2 is divided by 0.5, it is the 0.1 ml. Fish weight is the 15 gram. It is a very small fish. We can't give this type of fish. It is the simply example. But if it is the 5 kilogram, that will be the 5 microliter per gram, and that is the 2.25 microliter. It should be stored below the 25 degrees centigrade, away from sunlight and direct heat. Thank you.